Hello members, this is Aman from Most Talks. So today we will be doing Nifty 50 analysis. So we saw that today's day was very volatile. Like Nifty 50 was moving 50 points up and down like anything today. So it was a very volatile session. We believe that neither the put buyers nor the call buyers would have made some money today because we believe if you have put a stop loss of 20-25 rupees, it must have got hit in all the cases. So nonetheless, we will be discussing what happened in Nifty 50 today. So as we know that the meeting of Fed that was supposed to be held yesterday did take place, and that they have advised that they will be increasing the interest rates in the next year. As of now, they have proposed 3 hikes the next year to control the inflation in US. So despite of this particular suggestion that they will be doing these interest rates, why the why the US market went up and why the Nifty 50 didn't fall today, but rather showed some upside, a minimum upside though, but why it showed upside, we will be discussing that today. So what is happening is basically to control the inflation that is prevailing in the US market as of now. Fed has proposed to increase the interest rates. When the interest rates are increased, so everyone would like to deposit the money in the bank so that they can get higher rate of interest. And what happens is when the savings are increased, people will have less money to spend on goods and services. So that helps in controlling the inflation in the economy. Also, what they are believing is that uh, by next year there will be full employment in the economy, or employment will be substantial as compared to the current levels. So with more employment, there will automatically be enough money in the economy to boost growth, in the economy. That means sales of companies will increase and all that stuff. Growth in a sense will take place. So extra liquidity is not needed in the market. So they want to control that extra liquidity which is causing inflation in the market, because inflation is not good for the economy as a whole. So they have proposed 3 rate hikes in the next year, and more rate hikes will come in the following years to 2023, 2024, and that will continue to happen from now onwards. So despite of that, there was a fear that if Fed would propose an increase in interest rates, Nifty 50 might fall by 200 points, 300 points. Why it didn't happen? See, whenever a fall in the stock market takes place, it is mainly because of uncertainty. It is because of the information that is assumed by the bigger players, or that is assumed by people at large. People were of the fear that if FedEx is going to propose interest rate hike, Nifty 50 is going to fall, because all the all the people will pull money from equity and will deposit in their bank accounts to earn money on their deposits once RBI also announces interest rate hikes in India. So that was the scenario in USA, but the opposite happened. Dow Jones increased by, like, we believe 1.5% in the night, and today at this point of time it is also on a higher side. So why it happened? It happened because the uncertainty that was prevailing in the economy, in our economy, in US economy, about the interest rate hikes is now over. Okay, so it's now over. Now we know that interest rate hikes will take place, and all that information has already been accounted for in these candles. This fall from 18,600 to 16,781, you can say that the entire uncertainty has been accounted in these candles. So is Indian economy in a bad state? No, we don't think so. Yes, inflation is on a higher side in Indian economy as well, but RBI will surely take measures as Fed has taken. But can it further cause a decline in the stock market? We don't believe so, because because the fear because the fear has already been accounted for in these candles. You can say India VIX was also down today. So we believe that the fall that was expected to come, like that will take Nifty to 16,500, 16,800, might not come as of now, until and unless we see another bad news in the form of another another variant of another variant of corona. So that we seem that at this point of time seems to be a little difficult. So we will draw a trend line. We will try to understand what happened in Nifty 50. So you can see that even though Nifty 50 has formed a red candle, but it appears to be a like strong. It did went down, but at the end of the day, it was pushed up by the bulls. So you can see it is not a hammer. We cannot say it is a hammer. but you can say that it has tried to do something on the positive side. Now, today for the first time, we will be studying Nifty 50 on a lower time frame. So we will try to study Nifty 50 on a 30-minute chart. So let us do that. So you can see that in the end, when the market was about to close, two green candles formed, one of 44.85 points and the other one of 48.75. So we can say that these two candles moved almost 100 points. The last two candles from the low of 17,185 to 17,287. You can say almost 100 points. These two candles covered the last 30 minutes. These are 30 minutes candles. 30 minutes candles. This one and this one. These two candles almost made around 100 points recovery in Nifty 50. So this indicates that the buying pressure came at this level around 17,192 or 17,1 around this level. Okay, so this level buying came and that pushed Nifty 50 towards 17,285. It is also possible that some kind of short covering also came because today was the expiry day. But yes, we can say that if Dow is up, there is no point for Nifty 50 to decline as of now, because there is no point that should cause Nifty 50 to fall further. Now what can happen? As you can see that Nifty 50 might face some resistance at this level. So you can take this point as 17,309. This is on a very short term basis. Once 17,309 is crossed, these are very small levels. We are not taking we are not advising you to take any trade in these levels. But yes, if Nifty 50 manages to sustain 17,309 for like maybe 15 to 20 minutes, it can move further up. It will then face resistance at 17,352 and then it will go. But the major resistance that it is going to face would be at around, we will try to study it on an hourly chart or on a bigger time frame. Just give me a moment. So okay, so you can say that to be a little stronger, Nifty 50 will have to cross 380 and should sustain that level and try to close above that tomorrow, so that we can say that yes, a little bit of recovery in Nifty 50 can be seen in the week to come. So in the bigger chart, we can say the level that it is likely to face resistance, immediate resistance would be okay, this is the level. I will use this. So this is the level, because you can see that Nifty 50 fell from this level. When it tried to make a recovery, it went up, it like closed here. The following candle was a negative candle. Today's candle also appears to be a bearish candle from the face of it, but it doesn't seem to be, because it took Nifty 50 back up in the last 60 minutes. So we believe that yes, the negative sentiment around interest rate hike in US is more or less over now. The fear of the fear of that decision impacting Indian markets or world over markets is more or less over now. Everything has been accounted for in just a moment. In these candles, this information has already been priced in. So the fall from the levels of 18,604 to 16,782, we believe that everything has been accounted for in these candles, because the fall was very sharp. And on the one side, we believe that it is our opinion, we can be wrong, certainly we can be wrong. So we can be wrong. This is the area. Okay, it fell from 18,600 levels to 16,782 levels. So we believe that there is a possibility that Nifty 50 might try to consolidate here before making any further movement on the upside or even on the downside. We might not see immediate sharp upside movement or downside movement until and unless we hear a very positive or a very bad news. In that case, only we can see a sharp upside in Nifty 50 or a downside in Nifty 50. So you can say that if Nifty 50 might continue to consolidate in this region for a certain time. Once it gives a breakout of maybe 380 and this level, which is 17,590 and manages to close above it, then we can say yes, Nifty 50 is likely to show more upside. But as of now, there is nothing in the market to take it upside or to take it on the downside. Only yes, the only thing that can affect its upside movement as of now would be any news related to corona. So that we will have to see in the days to come. But as of now, yes, it is more likely to stay in this region for an extended period of time. It once it breaks 17,590 with a strong pressure and manages to sustain it, we can say yes, Nifty 50 might move more upwards. It can go up to 17,700 and all that levels, then we can study. But as of now, yes, the only problem today is that even though Nifty 50 managed to recover, the problem is tomorrow is Friday, and Friday is a very negative very negative day for stock market generally, because people like to close their positions and they don't want to carry forward their positions to Friday. So we might see some selling in second half of tomorrow, but would it be significant? We don't think so, but that we would come to know only tomorrow. As of now, the the support will shift. The support has shifted to 17,143, which was yesterday around 17,110, in the range of 17,075 to 17,110. Now it has shifted to 17. You can take using the trend line, you can see it is coming around 7. So tomorrow it will be around, just a second, in the range of 170, 17,140 to 163. So that will be your support area now, because what is happening is the the trend line is moving upwards. Okay, so your support will also move upward with each and every candle until and unless this support is broken. So you can take the support level around 17,125 to 17,143, and the resistance would continue to be your 17,391 as of now. Once it is crossed, then the immediate resistance would be around, just a second, it would be around 17,439. You can take, just a second, yeah, it would be around 17,439, like 17,440, and after that it would be, okay, 17,557, and then we can discuss the levels later on. But as of now, yes, it is going to face major resistance at 17,380. So with this, we would like to end this video. Thanks a lot for watching it. This is Aman signing off. Bye bye, take care.